everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you these cute post-it note holders that I've made. I actually made two different styles, but today I'm just sharing one in this video. I will show the other one in my next video. So I followed the tutorial by Jenny on Craft Test Dummies. She gives very clear and easy to follow instructions, and I'll post the link in the description below. So yeah, these are just super cute. They're made from one piece of scrapbook paper, and you can choose whatever designs you like. The thing I love about these post-it note holders is that you can add a pen or a small pencil to them, and they would package up really nicely for gifts too. So I'll show you the ones that I've made. So this one is really cute with it's a white background with black polka dots on it, and just some embellishments with scalloped circles and flower punches and a cute little flower embellishment. And I haven't actually picked up any small pens yet, but just to show, I covered a little pencil in washi tape, and I thought you could actually just do little pencils in here too. It's kind of a cute way to send them or to give them. So that's one option. You could actually put a larger pen in if you wanted it. It looks okay, but the smaller ones would probably be nicer. And then this one is the black background with white polka dots, and it's got lots of little embellishments on it as well. It says Dream, little rhinestones, and that's got the pink post-it notes inside. Here's another one I've done that's a nautical theme with the anchor and some kind of ocean paper on there. Just a black with the anchors on the back. There it is. They look cute with the little pencil inside there as well. There's that one, and then I did one here, another one with the black with the white polka dots, and this one says Wish, and just got some little layered embellishments on the front there. Same on the back, and there you have it. And then the last one I did is this little floral one. I like this one the best. I think it's really cute. The floral paper is so pretty, and then the scallop circle embellishment with the flower punch embellishment and the little flower with rhinestones. And there you have the post-it notes inside. Yeah, these would make really cute gifts. So I hope that inspires you to try them, and thank you for subscribing and for leaving your comments, and we'll see you next time. Bye for now.